Hi ladies, come on to do some final finishing off. I'm just going to show you what we're going to be doing. I'm going to be showing you how to finish off doing your ties and your catches, how to make your diaries, which are in there. There's small ones and large ones, how to make those. Inside this I've put some tags in a pocket. I'm going to be decorating those with little sayings or photographs or things. You can put photo here, photo there, or you can put another pocket and put more tags. Your book, your decision. My diary's in there, and I'll also put some photo mats in. You've got a large photo mat there, which you've got a video for. I'm going to be showing you how to do this catch, and this page is stuffed with, I haven't decorated fully yet, but you can see I've got a diary in there. I've got loads of odds and bits that I'm going to be using to decorate, so I wanted to keep them all in one place. So they're all gone in there. It just shows you what you'd be able to get in there when you come to fill your diary. But that's there. Anyway, that's what I'm going to be showing you now, is how to make your diary. Because I've just done a page one. Right, you need, that is my page. Now you've got yours, you've cut them out, measure across and down to get your, this is 5 inches across and 4 inches down. So allowing for ½ inch to make a border, so that's 5.5. So you double that, so that's 11. And I want a little bit for a bit of playroom, so you need to cut your paper at 11 1/8, 4 1/4. This is for mine. You need to measure yours, because as I said, you need to get your width across, height. So you have, that's 5 inches. I've allowed half an inch extra to give me a nice border all the way around. So that is 11 1/8 by 5 1/4. You score at 5 5/8. Then you turn your page around and score again at 5 5/8. Bend on your 2 marks. Fold on your 2 marks, and that gives you then your little bit for putting in your, it gives you a little edge for your diaries. Right, so take your corner rounder and piece off each side. Now I like to ink this because it polishes your page, polishes your edges nicely, gives them a nice finish. Might not be able to see the ink, but it does work. It just makes your edges polished and nice, and gets away from that cut edge, especially like my cutter. I need new blades and it's a little bit rough. It just blends it all in, makes it a bit, I'd say, a bit polished. Right, so you've now got that. So these pages I printed out. If you want me to send the file digitally for you to print, I will. I'm unable to print it out, but you can use an old notebook with lines in. You can just put straight copy paper in, as I have in the smaller diaries, or look on the internet and get note lines up. You can get them. This is one I did, and then I put in the colour at the top and my diary notes from the pandemic 2020. So I got those and I put them there, and hoping I can find it. This is 3 times I've done this video. Right, anyway, you take your page. If you've got foam mat or whatever it is you use when you're doing things, you put your pages, centre them in the middle of your, you know, your little bit down the middle. Make sure it's nice and central, and then holding on really tight, make 2 holes. I've got some baker's twine. You can use ribbon, you can use what you like. Ideally I'd have a bodkin to do this, but I can't be bothered to find it, so I'm just sticking that through there. If you have a bodkin and thread it, it might be a bit neater than I'm doing it. Pull it through, push it through, push your cord through to the other side, trim that off, put the other piece through, right, pull that through till it's nice and taut, fold your pages down, making sure they're all nice and together, pull that through tight. I would ideally make your bow, trim down your cord. Now, so this stays, what I usually do, I won't because if they put a little piece of glossy accents on there and I stick it down and it holds that knot then and doesn't, and also put a little bit of glossy accents on the end of your string. If you use ribbon, burnish it with a lighter, just flick it through. Anyway, you then glue down your diary, and there we go. And there's your diary. Okay, so now you've got your diary and to put into your book, your pages. You can put a photo here and a photo there, whatever you want to do. That's how to do a diary.